Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I was going to show you guys what I do with my cake scraps when I have remnants. Okay, so recently I had this number 30 cake to make, and I was going to carve it. Yes, I was going to carve the 3 and carve the 0 using a template that I made ready by hand. Yeah, so if you want to see how I did that, I'm going to leave the link for you guys right up here. And if you want to see how to carve cakes, I have like a video for beginners on how to carve cakes. I'm also going to leave the link right up here. You can check it out. It says click on me. Okay, so this cake today I'm carving a number 3, and then I'm going to have a lot of cake scraps. Yeah, and usually when I carve cakes and I have cake scraps, most times I give it to friends, and or I just throw it in the bin, because like if it stays around too long, I'm just going to keep munching on it, and it's not exactly good for me to eat cake every day. Cake is good, but it's not good for everyday consumption and everything. So okay, so this cake today I already carved the 0, and then I was carving the number 3, and I had like quite a lot of scraps. So I said, let me show you guys how to carve this cake, so while you guys can like stare at a pretty cake and see how delicious it is. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 ways to use a cake scraps. Yeah, the first thing and the most common one is to make like a clay, like a cake clay. A cake clay is basically like mashing your cake together and adding some buttercream to it in order to use it to mold something. You can use it to mold a ball, or use it to be part of a cake carving in case maybe you're making like a structure out of cake. Another thing you can do is to make cake pops out of them. All you have to do is mix it with buttercream as well, and then use a mold. Or you can make popsicles. You see the cakesicles, yeah, cakesicles most people make. Or if you like, you can just give it to friends and family to munch. And how I like to like store them so they can be fresh after a while is like I kind of first take them and wrap them in cling film, like pour it in like a foil, yes, and then wrap it completely. Make sure like no part of it is peeping out, yeah, so it won't dry out, because cake is like bread. If you leave it out for too long, it will dry out. Yeah, so once you've make sure you've covered everything like that, you want to take a cling film or like a nylon, that is airtight, and then you want to wrap it completely and tie it, and that's all. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.